Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your system and account are ready. Sign into Windows with a Microsoft account so online features can sync. Plug in and test a microphone and run the microphone setup from Control Panel to set levels. Make sure Windows Update finished and any speech language packs you need are installed. This ensures the cloud service recognizes your language. Once done, open Settings to change privacy and speech controls, so the next steps activate online recognition. Now enable the online engine. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Speech, and toggle online speech recognition on. Confirm any permission prompts that request microphone or cloud access so Windows can send audio securely. Next, check settings time and language and ensure your display and speech language match the installed speech pack. Mismatches block cloud recognition. Finally, allow a minute for cloud services to sync. This connects your device to Microsoft's online models, which finish by testing the feature. Press Windows key +H in a text field for dictation or launch Windows speech recognition to try commands. Speak clearly and watch how cloud recognition adapts. Download extra language models if you need better coverage. If it doesn't work, make sure microphone access is allowed in privacy settings, update or reinstall audio drivers, and confirm you're still signed into your Microsoft account. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after enabling online speech recognition. Many permission and driver changes need a restart to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.